Hey guys, Ian here, CEO of Caliber Real Estate. Thank you for joining us for the second episode of Caliber Life. Today I'm going to take you guys through the brand new office here. We've been here for about 30 days and introduce you to the team that makes it all happen. Come on back, let's go. First of all, we have the amazing Jazzy here. Her job is to always have a smile on her face, greet everyone, answer the phones, and she's amazing. We're happy to have her. We've got the sexy kitchen here that's always stocked with snacks and beverages. We got 2 different conference rooms available to meet. This one is my favorite. It was a big thing for me to have the floor-to-ceiling glass. As you can see, we got a nice little peekaboo of downtown Bellevue there. I want to introduce the wholesale sourcing team. These guys are really important to us. We've got Joel, Drew, Ryan here. Ryan Powell. He actually knew I was doing this, so he wrote out a little script for me. Ryan has great sales experience, So let me tell you about Ryan. Ryan has been with us since the very beginning. He really is a jack of all trades. He's been in every side of the business. That guy has so much energy. He's 47, but you watch him and you think he's an 18-year-old kid running around the office like a little tornado. These guys, their role is to work directly with sellers sitting in the living room and provide inventory, off-market inventory for our buyers here. Introduce Jillian, my wife, also operations and runs finance for the company. People ask me, how do you work with your wife? For us, I guess it just works out. I mean, we ride to work together, we ride home together. Our pillow talk is Caliber Real Estate, but it really works out, and without her, I don't know where we would be as a company. I want to introduce Zach Lazo, partner and designated broker, and Angela, his assistant. Zach, partner, started the company with me. I couldn't really see myself doing this without him. He's the guy I need to celebrate the wins with. We share the same vision of the company. If ever there's a difficult situation, whether we need to have a hard conversation or let someone go, we send Zach in as that nice, calm, smooth radio voice to talk and make everyone feel comfortable. But man, he is a dolphin. I gotta keep that guy on task. He loves to have fun. If it's 85 degrees out, there's a 50-50 chance that he's probably gonna call in sick and go on his boat. And then I'm Dad, the bad guy, trying to get him back in here. We thrive off of each other's energy, and I couldn't see myself building this company without him. So this is an area for agents to sit and work, drop-ins here, a lot of big collaboration area for us. To introduce you to some of the admin staff. Christine is responsible for all of the onboarding, human resources, and this is Ricky Bobby here, our mascot, so he's always in here as well. Kenny, we don't really like to talk about Kenny very much. No, I'm kidding. Kenny is a top producer for the last 2 years running, and probably I'd say one of the biggest clients on the wholesale side. He just sits and hangs out and waits for us to leak information on deals. Sarah, marketing assistant here, making sure all of our collateral is nice and pretty. Let's bring you guys back, introduce you to Shannon. Shannon is our managing broker. Her role here is to make sure that our agents feel comfortable, trained, and helps keep the accountability going. We brought Shannon over from one of the big name brokerages. We were looking for someone that can come in and provide some expertise, training, collateral, put on our classes, manage our training calendar. She's been a huge asset to us since we brought her over. Some additional drop-in spaces here for agents to come. Introduce you guys to the sales team. So here, these guys are responsible for placing the deals that we're working with on our clients, and we've got Chris, Tyler, Zach, and Grant. You might find Grant kissing his muscles every once in a while after a sale closes. My daughters think he's Gaston from Beauty and the Beast, and he has amazing hair. Anytime anyone asks me who they're meeting at the auction, I just tell them to go for the guy with the great hair, and they know exactly who I'm talking about. Dave is one of the partners, and it's lucky we don't see him in the office very often. He's out there in the field managing our flips and our rentals. Dave is one of the partners. He's been there from the very beginning. Man, he has a creative mind as far as design and color choices and everything that he does to our properties. It's a big part of making them what they are, but man, that guy has the worst ADD ever. If I have a conversation with him, 2 seconds later, he's off onto the next subject. He comes off as an ass, but really he's just direct. He doesn't have a filter. He says exactly what's on his mind. Scott Horman is Director of Marketing, making sure that, again, everything works, all the collateral's flashy, nice and pretty, and displays the Caliber brand. So all drop-in space here where agents can come and work freely. We've got the bar height stools and the drop-ins here. My favorite part here, the Caliber branded shuffleboard, which is Alan's favorite spot. You'll find him here most of the time.
How you doing?
And Rob is definitely a contender as well. This mural was really important to us. We brought a graffiti artist in to kind of create the skyline, Seattle skyline here, and the Caliber shield in the corner there, and the core values to us, which is always important, which is humble and hungry, do the right thing always, and people over profits. Come on back, guys. So this is my office. I want to thank you guys for coming in here. Next episode, we're going to go to a property that we purchased at our built-in buyer program on Mercer Island. It's a monster on the lake. We're going to talk about how we purchased it and show you the game plan on renovations. And thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you next time.